Hello, let's do a weekly overview for Allegory, the moral of the story. First thing you're doing this week is watching this YouTube video I posted called What is Allegory? A Literary Guide for English Students and Teachers. It's an Oregon State University kind of English department resource they created that goes over what allegory is and the concept of tenor and vehicle, which I want you to pay particular attention to. So you learn about allegory and the idea of extended metaphor. Then I want you to go to this document, all right, and you're going to scroll down to the Little Red Riding Hood excerpt by Charles Perrault, and I want you to make two annotations noting a literary tool or a noticing that you see in this writing. And the directions are below for what equals what color. So if it's a moral you see, blue highlighter. If it features evil antagonist, pink highlighter, good protagonist, orange highlighter, etc., etc. So there's that guide right there. And I don't really have these two, these three with a highlighter color because these are more summative aspects that it's hard to pinpoint down into one part of the story. Um, And then magical elements, you got the green highlighter you want to use for that. And stories driven forward by action, purple highlighter you want to use for that. Um, so yeah, that's the assignment, the first part of the assignment. So then after you do that, you're going to want to go look at this discussion question. Um, Examine a fairy tale warning Little Riding Hood by Mary Ness within the Little Red Riding Hood study Google document. So that's right over here. And you're going to respond to this discussion question about the idea of the morals in fairy tales and how they may or may not connect to social issues contemporary to the authors who are writing fairy tales. And then finally, after really diving into this model text of Little Red Riding Hood, I want you to go ahead and write your own short fairy tale of 1,000 to 1.5k words, featuring a clear moral through allegory, characters, metaphors, and fantasy elements. Although this draft will be graded with the rubric below, which is right here, um, it's just going to be submitted for completion because this is your first draft. Because there's some things we haven't gone over yet. We haven't gone over vivid description of action, and we have not gone over active voice, but we'll do that together. But overall, 50 points for completion for that. And when you're writing this, I want you to think about that tenor and vehicle of your allegory, which again will be explained by this video right here. All right, have an awesome class period today, and good luck with this week of allegory.